Alright my friends, welcome back to yet another video. This time around I purchased soccer cleats. So I've been gaining a lot of weight. On top of that, my cleats were completely destroyed a couple months ago, and the ones I've been using are giving me a lot of pain in my feet. I'm trying to get back into sports. For many years I've tried different cleats, but I haven't found one that are really comfortable, just like the ones I used to wear back in the day. We'll see if these are the answer for that. Anyways, so here we go. So let's do a little close up here from Adidas Copa Mundial 8.5. The box itself only has Adidas logos all around it, so pretty simple. Let's take a look. This is beautiful. This brings back so many memories. I do remember my first cleats that were very similar to this ones. Of course, they were the off-brand. This is beautiful. I'll have to try them on, see if they fit me well. Made in Germany. They're gorgeous. Well, can't wait to try this on. Alright guys, these are the shoes. What do you guys think? I like the accents. Classic Adidas. There it is. Adidas Copa Mundial. All those soccer heads out there, what do you think about this boot? Have you tried it? Have you owned it? What are your thoughts? What are your experiences with this boot? Do you recommend it at all? I'm more of a Nike guy back in the day when I used to play, and recently I've been using a lot of Puma. I was looking to get a Lotto or a Diadora. Everything is sold out, and I was lucky enough to find these shoes. We'll try them out. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. This was it, the unboxing of the Copa Mundial Adidas soccer cleats. I'm excited to test them out. I gotta lose some weight, and these are gonna be one of the tools I'm gonna use for that. Thank you guys for watching. My name is Javier Morales. Please put your comments down below, share the video, like it, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.